In this video, I'll be showing you how we set up a quarter panel cut. This is a standard cut we're looking at right here off of a late model Prius. We're going to be adding a door to the shipment as well. So give you an idea what it looks like when we combine shipments. So every cut's custom to customer needs. Send you a cut sheet, you mark it off, and we tailor the cut for you. Next up is going to be, and then this is the rear door. In this particular situation, I got the quarter and the door and a couple little pieces that we're going to put on a skid together. We can add as many as 2 doors to a quarter panel shipment, depending on the length of the cut. That can change things as well, but we can generally do it. Tailor all of our shipments to an individual case-by-case basis. Here we are at the second to last step of wrapping this up. As you can see, the quarter panel is secured on that side. We'll be using metal banding to strap it down so it doesn't move. We always leave extra room on the sides for additional protection during freight transport. This shipment only has 1 door in it. We can get up to 2 doors in here. We stand them up a bit differently and add different protection layers. There's additional parts in that box below as well, so we do our best to pack as much in as we can, but we do it very safely, making sure your parts stay clean and damage-free during transport. And then this is the final product, wrapped up, shrink wrapped, boxed, banded, and on the skid. If it arrives with any damage, you need to notify the driver immediately. It'll be pretty obvious when they damage it. It's pretty rare, but it does happen. You've got to tell them immediately, otherwise there's no recourse. Any questions, give me a call, 800-222-2528. My direct is 112. Thanks.